Hey, gals and guys, this is Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. I just wanted to make a quick video about TubeBuddy and the certificates through TubeBuddy and why they're not working recently. So if you normally go into TubeBuddy, if you use it on the regular, and then you got the app, the Chrome extension on there. If you go to Milestones, as you see, there's no certificates there. It's kind of been wonky the past, I'd say month or so. It's been putting on the wrong dates. It's been disappearing. So I did reach out to them to see what the deal was. I can get them through VidIQ or vidIQ, I should say. vidIQ is okay. I prefer TubeBuddy. So this is what they said back. I asked what was going on with the milestones. So they said, hello, thank you for reaching out to TubeBuddy. StatFire and BentPixels. I'm assuming that's the company they go through for their software. I'm guessing. I don't know. StatFire and BentPixels are working on transition their service that we use to power Channelytics Milestones and Competitor Scorecard. Their plan was during this transition to continue to update the data for us, but for reasons out of our control, they have been unable to do that. As such, new data after October 7th is not currently available, which makes sense too, because I've noticed that my past ones were like labeled October 10th. It's like, okay. They were all labeled October 10th, or some of the new ones, I mean, it depended, and some of the new ones were today's date. So like if I got 50,000 views on December 10th, all of a sudden it said February 10th. So it was kind of weird that way. Although we do not currently have an ETA for resolution, our development team is in the process of correcting this as quickly as possible. If you'd like more information, this issue or further updates, refer to this link, which I don't know what this link tells me. Doesn't really tell me much. TubeBuddy updates, patch notes. I got you. Okay. I didn't really look at this. I get you. Okay. Please let me know if you have any additional questions or need further assistance. Otherwise, I hope that you have a great rest of the day. So in the interim, I guess you could just use vidIQ if you're not aware of that. And excuse me, I'm rendering a video right now. Usually I turn this off because it mucks up my works, but vidIQ does the same thing. I don't usually like to have it on because it interferes with my TubeBuddy, but let's get into it real quick. And success. All right, so if we go here, you can go into your achievements, and then same deal. I don't like it as much, but it's going to look very familiar to you as far as the certificates. I mean, they're practically the same thing. And it's got the right dates on it and stuff like that. So until TubeBuddy or their partners correct this issue, I guess I'll just have to go that way. Now, originally, you only had like 30 days in order to download your certificates from there. So I would upload them on Facebook. Unfortunately, my old Facebook account is gone. That's a whole other set of videos. So the ones that I originally posted are gone with that Facebook account. But when I started a new Facebook account, I started collecting them again. So I'm just showing you the dates. So there's February 20th, so on and so forth. So it's just not doing that right now. And I forget when I started this. That's not really important. See, so there was the 10th, 17th, 27th October. So it did go right along. I know the email said the 7th, but I don't know. It just seems to be working when it wants to be. Maybe they're doing, maybe they put it back the way it's supposed to be, and then they fart around with it and screw it up again. One never knows. So what I'll do is I'll put these patch notes down. I'll put the link down in the description of this video so you can check it or bookmark it or whatever you need to do with it to check on it. If you're wondering where your milestones and your achievements are. If you're not familiar with what TubeBuddy is or vidIQ, basically it's a service to help you with your videos, to help you get them ranked. They help you with SEO. They kind of give you different tools. They give you news. There's videos on how to increase your traffic to your YouTube channel and everything. Once in a great while, I'll sign up for their pro version, and then you can earn pro version rights for like a month or a week or something like that, depending on what you do. And there's a free SEO helper right here. So I'll put in my last name. I don't know why. Okay, so that one you need a pro version. Keyword Explorer. This is what I was looking for. It'll give you, if the free version will give you like 3 Mosier fails. Yeah, no shit. It will give you 3 of the top SEO ideas for you. If you sign up for the pro version, you get all of them. You get 3 of 13 total results are shown, so you only get the top 3. But it then gives you an idea of where it ranks as far as that's concerned. So really, that ranks poor. Mosier Falls. I don't know. It's just funny to me because that's my last name. Let me put in my media helper. Let's see where that ranks. It helps you with keywords and everything like that. So there we go. My media helper, my media. You just kind of click on and get an idea for SEO. But anyways, this isn't a video on how to use TubeBuddy or vidiq. I was just giving you a heads up on it. Okay, gals and guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to give you a clue into what was happening with those milestones, and I will thank you as always, as I do at the end of at the end of all videos. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Please share this with people who are wondering where their milestones are, obviously, and please like if you like this, and like it twice if you hated it, and hit the bell for updates and all that good quality stuff, and I'll see you later. Peace.
We've seen you asking, what is TubeBuddy? Good question. Let's take some time to answer this. TubeBuddy is designed to help you save time, get more views, and do more on YouTube. TubeBuddy is a browser extension, but most people say a browser plugin. It's like Grammarly or Honey. It adds extra options to your web browser. In TubeBuddy's case, we add tools directly on top of YouTube. You can install TubeBuddy on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. We'll have an article in the description on where you can find and install TubeBuddy for free. After installing TubeBuddy, simply go to youtube.com and you'll see our features right inside YouTube with this TubeBuddy logo right here. All you need to do is sign in. In addition to the extension, we have a mobile app that we update frequently. Plus, we offer a bunch of other tools which can be found on the TubeBuddy website. Now, downloading TubeBuddy won't instantly get you results, although that would be awesome. No, TubeBuddy is like any tool. For example, if you wanted to cut down a tree, you could just use your hands. This would take a while and be painful, but it can be done. With the right tools like an axe, it can be done quicker, easier, and pain-free. And with the paid versions of TubeBuddy, it's like using a chainsaw, giving you more time to focus on the task at hand and less time focusing on the problems. Or, in the case of YouTube with TubeBuddy, your painful journey becomes a lot simpler, so you can focus more on creating content and less time on the back end with things such as titles, description, and tags. We want to empower you to create more and work less.